Hi, my name's Serdar Mehmet and I'm one of the residential development lawyers here in IBB's residential development team. Mines and minerals is a term frequently used to describe the subsurface or subsoil to land. Any residential developer will realise the importance of obtaining good and marketable title to a development site so that they are ultimately able to pass that title on to home buyers and their lenders. There could, however, be issues in proving good and marketable title to land if a third party can claim ownership of the mines and minerals of a development site. Although a landowner may generally assume that he owns the surface of his land as well as the ground beneath it and the airspace above it, there are exceptions to this, and it's quite possible for the ownership of the subsoil to land to be separated from the ownership of the surface and be owned by a third party. There was much publicity around mines and minerals in October 2013 when the Church Commissioners and the Crown were registering their rights to mines and minerals, although this was in a slightly different context. The implication of a third party owning the subsoil to your land is that works done to it which interfere with the materials below the surface, such as constructing the foundations of a building, may amount to trespass, and the owner of the subsoil may therefore lodge a claim against you for damages or seek an injunction to prevent further interference. You can find out who owns a subsoil to land by carrying out a search of the index map at Land Registry if the land is registered, or by examining the title deeds if the land is unregistered. Your legal advisors would normally do this for you as part of the due diligence carried out before you buy land. There are two things you can do if you discover that the subsoil of your land or land you're about to buy belongs to a third party. Firstly, you could seek to obtain indemnity insurance against any claims that the owner of the subsoil may bring against you. Secondly, you could also approach the owner of the subsoil in order to procure a release of such rights. However, bear in mind that if you do this and the owner is not prepared to release their rights, or you can't reach a deal with them, you may not be able to obtain mining indemnity insurance because insurers don't usually allow contact with the owner. There are various other factors that could affect any indemnity insurance available and/or the level of any premium payable. However, each case would need to be looked at on its own facts. If you would like to discuss this issue or have any queries on mines and minerals generally, please do not hesitate to contact me, Serdar Mehmet, or one of the residential development lawyers here at IBB.